Hey guys, this is Dave from DIYHomeownerHero.com. Today we're going to talk about how to drain your pool, including the last few inches of the pool, which is often a pain in the ass. So the first thing you're going to want to do is attach this white adapter to your hose, and then what you do is you plug it in and push it in. Set down the camera and get it all set up. Alright, so here's the adapter within the actual hose. It needs to be tightened a little bit more, so I'm gonna tighten it. It's obviously a lot easier if you use two hands. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in, water's gonna squirt out, and then it'll go away in a second. Get it as tight as possible to prevent any of the leaks. And there's your adapter. Now let's drain her out. So one of the things to be very careful of is on this clear plastic, there's tiny threads that this white adapter goes into. The problem is it's a really piss poor design and it leaks. So you're going to have some water coming out of your pool. I've taken it off a couple times, put it back on, but it still leaks. I'm sure you can use some type of pool thread, but for my purposes, we're just draining this out so we can re-level, because the pool went to the side a little bit by about 1/8 of an inch, and I want it to be perfect so it doesn't get all screwed up. So we'll show that in the next video. Alright, talk to you guys later. So one of the things that you're going to want to do when you drain your pool, and I know that the pool is full right now, but make sure that to get the last few inches, you have two people and you grab both the left and the right side of the pool, so right there, and then to the left of the pump, and these will already be drained, so you'll push the sides down and then you'll lift them up, and that will have the water go toward the actual drain plug. So once it's down toward the drain plug, should be fine. So here's the plug again, and of course it'll be attached with the hose. Once the water comes down, you'll be able to drain it from there. So again, once it comes down to about 3 inches, you should be able to drain everything out, and you should be good to go. Alright guys, have a good time. Talk to you soon. Remember to subscribe and like.